Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, the last week before school. So what we do every year is the first week of summer vacation and the last week of summer vacation, we spend the week deep cleaning the house. Before summer vacation, it's so we can just have fun during the summer and take some time off whenever we do. This was like our second time doing it, but usually also, I mean, we always take 1 week at the beginning of summer, even if we're year-round schooling, to take a week off school and deep clean the house so that we can have, even when they're doing school in the summer, like they do, not as much work. And once they finish their work for the day, then we can still have fun. It's early, that's why I still look very much fresh awake, because I've only been up for like half an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and start our cleaning though and get our laundry going, and I'll show you why. Day one, we're doing bedrooms and bathrooms. I'm gonna start with my bedding because it's 6:42 and I am the only one up. Matt has already left for work, just left for work. So I'm gonna start with stripping all this off. On work break, gonna go change laundry over. Next, on bedroom, I'm gonna gather up all the dirty clothes from the bedroom floor and the bathroom from the weekend and get them out of here. I'm not gonna show you that because dirty clothes. Bedding's out of the dryer. Now time to make the bed. Sheets are on and quilt is in the dryer. Girls are up, they're working on their own room while they are sweeping their room, cleaning out from under beds and stripping their beds, getting ready for their bedding to go in the wash, which is why I start with mine first thing in the morning so that they can sleep in and take their time getting theirs to the wash. If I don't get all theirs done today, I'll do it tomorrow. While they do that, I'm gonna start on bathroom. First thing I do is turn the exhaust fan on. Second thing I do is I'm gonna clear this entire counter. Also, as I'm cleaning, I'm going to make a checklist of everything that needs stocked up on within the next month, because it's the week before, or it is the week of our monthly stock up on shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste. It's also time to buy new toothbrushes, things like that. Get all that taken care of as I'm cleaning. Counter's cleared off. When deep cleaning, I leave the toothbrush holder in here. Toothbrushes are spread out on a paper towel while this is being washed and while it dries. Going to fill this up so I'll get the tube out, or the tub of it out in a minute. This is out. Everything that is usually in here, the towel rack, all that is out. Robes go to laundry. I've washed this once. It's not really a huge deal to me. I do it maybe like once. I don't even know how often. I do it every now and then, but I don't do it like every single time we deep clean. What I am gonna do, that I do every time we deep clean, I'm gonna take all the soaps out of here so that I can scrub this down completely, take this off, scrub the rack down, scrub the shower head, and I may also soak the faucet and shower head tonight in CLR. Turn the fan off briefly, have the vacuum in here. I'm gonna vacuum around that with the brush attachment, do all the way around the walls, checking for cobwebs. Then we'll start on the rest of the room. Because some of our bathroom cleaners have bleach in them, we do not use our ammonia glass cleaners the same day that we do the bathrooms. So these will be on Wednesday. The mirror will be on Wednesday. The rest of this will be today. Except for putting things back, the bathroom is finished for today. The mirrors will be another day. The extra cleaning that we did was we scrubbed the wall behind here, scrubbed everything down on here, took all the soaps out and scrubbed, took the shower rack down and scrubbed it as well. Did a little bit of touch up on the walls, doorknobs, handles, medicine cabinet, all of that. Moving on from here, leave that fan on, leave it on to vent that out. We're gonna start working on cobwebs in the bedroom. Bed is completely made. It finished up during lunch. We took a break during lunch. Immediately after lunch, went ahead and made the bed up real quick. The sheet is longer than our quilt is, so it hangs out, but it's fine. I'm also going to, once I'm finished vacuuming all the cobwebs up and around the room and just touch up, I am going to move the toilet paper out of here with the rest of the bathroom stuff. I'm gonna work on cleaning off this fan, dusting the 2 end tables, dusting the dressers, and if I have time today, I might throw these in with a used dryer sheet in the dryer for 10 minutes just to fluff them a little bit. Vacuum the floor, and I should be finished in here for now. Just like that, my room is completely finished up. So now from here, I can spend the rest of the day helping the girls sort through clothes to get rid of, shoes to get rid of, and finish up their room and check on their bathroom. Girls' beds are being stripped down right now. Sarah, you have stuff on your bed. What we're going to do next is actually flip the mattresses over and vacuum the boards under their beds and make sure there's nothing on there. Then Madeline's going to vacuum her stairs, which is super easy with the vacuum brush. Makes it so much easier to get all those little cracks. Then we'll move from there downward and get under the bed. So a big change in their room. We decided that since Rebecca no longer wanted her bed pushed in and out, and it was damaging the floor because we couldn't find the original casters that came with it broke. I'm not super happy with it because like the original casters broke, so it stopped working as a trundle bed. These pieces all popped out. I'm not happy with that either. So I would love to get them a triple, but we only have 7-foot ceilings, so Madeline would hit her head all the time. So we decided not to go with that. But what we decided to do was take Rebecca's bed, turn it this way, put her pillow there. Sarah's head was moved down here. Then we're gonna maybe I'm looking at wanting to utilize that space under there for storage for like extra blankets to free up some space in the top of their closet. So her bed is right here for now. The doll beds have been moved to here. Rebecca's is there. Sarah's is there. They're the 2 triples. Then they can put extra doll things like the doll with the wheelchair right there. Then Rebecca's dresser here. Madeline's double bunk bed instead of a triple right here. Their fan can still be plugged up right there and keep that outlet free. We can even move that cord down and put an outlet back in here if we need to. And then the older girls' dressers are right here beside the closet. So I like the way it feels. And also the doll bunk beds stick out from the wall quite a bit. So this actually frees up more walk room through here. They're going to finish up in here. It's looking much better than it already did. And I'm really happy with the new layout.